this is a country that we have the freedom. This is a country that is a godly freedom. You can see on my side I have a sword. On the other side I have the flag of the Republic of Kenya. On this other side I have the currencies. And also I'm going to show you the soil that I carried from 47 counties of this country just for... Why I carried the soil, I carried this soil because soil has a meaning. Soil has power. And that's why you can see the president has constructed a 1.2 billion, which I really doubt. Can't be 1.2 billion. It is just some little money that is using, but he want to magnify it and it look like 1.2 billion. What does he tell you? The president is telling us he has raised an altar that nobody else can be able to raise in this country. That now he has direct and specific powers to have dominion over this country. He is raising a dominance. Building a church is not crime. You can also go and build us. Whatever Ruto is doing is not crime. You can also do everything that you want to do. But now look at... Ndio kwa maana amejenga kanisa dame. Ndio kwa maana amejenga kanisa dame. Sema in your 1.2 billion yourself into matters of God, the more you become more powerful. Hiyo ndio reason ya kujenga madhabahu. Na ndio kwa maana hakuna madhabahu ingine. Wacha nikupatie historia ya nani? Ya ikulu ya Nairobi venye iko. Ikulu ya Nairobi imejengwa. It is a house on the hill. It is built on the highest peak of Nairobi County. The highest peak of the Nairobi County. Na ukimiangalia hapa chini kabisa, hapa Nyerere Road, ukuje Serena, ukuje Uhuru Park, ukipanda kutoka Nyayo House, unaona ni mlima Mount Kenya unapanda. That's the symbolic move. Ni mlima wa Mount Kenya ikipanda. Kwa hivyo amejenga ikulu at the peak. Sasa amechukua Mount Kenya, ameipeleka kule town, ameipeleka ndani ya state, amejenga madhabahu at the peak of Mount Kenya. And that's the reason I'm here to cancel what he did. But you guys, you don't understand what is happening. Na ndio anataka muingie kwa barabara, murushe mawe, mumwagwe damu, sacrifice, sacrifice ndio ifanye kazi. Tumewekwa kwenye mtego ambao nyinyi wenyewe amewakaranga. Alone, he has people. When he was campaigning, alienda kila knew what he was doing. He knows how to control altars. You need to control spheres. You need to control the energies. You need to control the networks. What you need to do is to clone. Clone it. Once you do a replica, then clone it. You take it wherever you want. That is what Pope Leo did. He came to this mountain and cloned the mountain. He took it to Vatican. He became the president. This is what Queen Elizabeth did. She was at the treetop. She cloned. And this is why Charles was here, to clone it. This is why Obama was here. When Obama came, when he was a senator, he came to the mountain. And that's why Gachagua was telling us, a sequence, a frequency that comes from here. And the frequency that comes from this mountain, nobody can be able to handle it. Nobody, not unless you have a spiritual awakening, a spiritual power, a spiritual authority that no anyone has it. And this is the reason I'm asking you guys, stop what we are doing. Stop these street battles with Ruto. You will not make it. He's racing. The more he's shedding, the more the blood is being shed, the more he becomes. And this is the thing that you are going to understand it. Listen now, why we're building a church? We are Christian. We are all Christian. Why we're building a church why we need to make us so everybody of us that everybody is talking about it? Is it the only church? Is it just the what? Catholics have done good churches. Best churches. The PC have done good churches. The Anglicans have done good churches. The Freemason has done their temple. Nobody's talking about them. But we are talking about a church. And a church, nobody should be able to. Muslims do build their mosques and nothing. And nobody talks about it because it's done by one person. And one person finishes the game. But why are we talking about this church in the hill? because it is built at the peak of the capital city. And it is a replica. It was picked from here. They came, picked the soil from here, and on the foundation of that church, it is a soil from Mount Kenya. And then they collected soils from all 47 counties. So the church is built on the soil collected from the 47 counties. And in all these counties, a word was spoken to. Now we call having dominion of the Mau Mau through the Gen Z. And now what is happening is like there is a controversy between two spirits, two magnetic powers, two frequencies. The frequencies of the Mau Mau, the people who died, the blood of the people who died for this nation, and the frequencies from this mountain, and also the frequency of the Freemason at State House and the church, because every temple, every Freemason temple, there is a